guys, and welcome to Distilling's training area, where today we're going to be talking about yeast, specifically NT202. Now this is a very popular yeast strain when you're working with high brix mashes, which results in high ABV products. Some of your yeast strains won't be able to tolerate this alcohol concentration when it's completing fermentation, whereas NT202 can actually complete the whole fermentation process. Now, its aromatic compounds produced during fermentation is typically your red berries, your blackberries, your black currants, some of your prune flavors and aromas, as well as some tobacco, hints of tobacco. So this is a very complex red wine yeast strain, which makes it ideal for rum production as well. Now let's quickly look at the dosage rate. So you'll typically add about 1 gram per liter if you're working with volumes less than 100 liters. And if you're working with volumes above 100 liters, then you'll typically add about 25 grams per 100 liters. Now the reason for the lower dosage rate is because you'll typically apply yeast rehydration. I'm not going to be talking about this in this video. You're more than welcome to have a look on our website under articles, under fermentation. You'll find an article called yeast rehydration or direct addition. Or if you would like to learn even more about yeast, then you're welcome to look at our Y1 Yeast and Fermentation Foundation course. Now, its specifications, so its minimum temperature is about 18 degrees Celsius, whereas its maximum temperature during fermentation is about 28 degrees Celsius. Now, it's not ideal for winter fermentation or where it's too cold, because it will get stuck if you go for fermentation temperatures below 18 degrees Celsius. So make sure you keep it nice and warm, especially in winter. Now, its alcohol tolerance is about 16-17% alcohol, and then its nutrient demand is medium, so you have to make sure that you add enough nutrients during the fermentation process. You'll typically start with a dosage of 0.5 grams per liter. 2 or 3 days later, you'll add another 0.5 grams per liter. But if you find any off aromas or flavors, you can add a little bit more. Or if you see it become sluggish, then you can add a little bit more nutrients during the fermentation. This is also a very strong fermenter, which means it ferments quite fast, and it easily exceeds 28 degrees Celsius. So be careful to actually allow it to exceed that 28 degrees Celsius. Keep it within that 18 to 28 degrees Celsius range. Guys, so that was our NT202.